Bonjour! Bonjour and happy Easter! Last week was a big milestone for us. We closed the door of our renting house for good and packing the last bits in the moving truck. We had big pieces that definitely needed to go into the truck. As you can see, also one of the historic pieces of Angelo's retro computer collection. And I think also one of the heaviest. For those who want to know, it's the IBM 5110 and was announced in January 1978. The computer sits on top of the big diskette drive and weighs almost 60 kilos. But for more information about this computer and more, check the link in the description to his website. We drove back to France and arrived late in the afternoon. The guys of the moving company already started to unpack. The next morning, they continued, and it was so nice to see all of our belongings back. Our lawn chairs for outside, all my kitchen equipment, but also our summer clothing, and a big table for our kitchen. It almost feels like Christmas on this Easter day, with all those boxes to unpack. We have stored most of them in our spare rooms and in our pantry. And as we are still working on renovating our kitchen, we didn't want it to be too cluttered. So, it was a very impressive week, where we can now truly say that we live in France. The upcoming weeks we are going to unpack. Ja, precies. Staan nog in doos.
In doos?
Ja.
Oh.
Pas goed hè? the upcoming weeks we are going to unpack. We have already found the nest box and have hung it towards the southeast of the wall. Hopefully still in time for the birds to make a new nest here too.
Is het lekker, schat? Ja, lekker niet. Kijken.
Ik kan hem eigenlijk aangeven.
Misschien een beetje vuil genoeg.
Wat?
Dat het niet goed stevig.
Ja, je kan het gewoon induwen. Je moet hele dikke schroeven pakken.
Oh, wacht even.
And just like I said, I really like how spring is popping up in this garden. And I'm not sure if you're familiar, but in the Netherlands we have Keukenhof. And well, this feels like a really tiny bit like Keukenhof. So maybe I will continue with this next year and plant even more bulbs here. But I really like all different kinds of flowers start to bloom here. So really like it. It is a while since we have showed you an update on our kitchen. So next video we will continue with our kitchen. Stay tuned. If you like this video and our channel, help us grow, subscribe and like so we can continue making videos of us living on our homestead. See you next time. Bonne journée.